What's up everybody, Thunder and Diesel here with another video. So today we're going to be doing a little bit of body work. I went to AutoZone and bought this fiberglass repair kit, fiberglass bundle type things, and I found the exact same like color, man. I sprayed on it, you can't even tell it's different color. Some extra fiberglass and the scraper. Try to do just put this back on there just for now, patch it up. Later on, maybe next year in spring, buy a brand new hood and repaint it. Repaint the whole truck probably. And I'm gonna try to get a new bumper maybe next week because this one's already messed up. I bent it back, but it still looks like fiberglass. Right now I took off the chrome piece that goes here. Brand new hood is like $3 grand. It's not even painted. It doesn't have any accessories like lights or the chrome or anything, like the grill. No lights, so you have to buy that set. For now it's just cheaper to do this. I'll save that money and invest it in a truck, you know, to make money. And first I'm gonna clean this off, all this fucking dirt that was under what's it called, the little chrome. I forgot what it's called, but yeah. You clean this off, put it under. I think I'm gonna have to grind some pieces off. Try to match it up there and hold it somehow. Clean everything so the fiberglass holds. Let me just clean all this shit off with this brush. So what I'm doing now is sanding the paint off right here, so I can lay down new fiberglass and fiberglass resin and like glue it back together. Or I'll see, maybe I'll use this instead. I don't know. I'll see what's up. Or I could cut this off, but I don't know. I don't want that fiberglass shit flying everywhere. I don't have a mask or a suit because that shit is itchy. And I don't like it. So I'm just gonna sand down the paint. It's just a temporary fix, you know. We're always doing it professionally. I'll do it professionally. Anybody who's body work doing it, I've seen people do it. There we go. So now I'm sanding down the back side. And I need to do the same thing, but on the truck. Sand it down on this side, both sides. Just this part, because in this part it only goes up to here. Now next I'll do the rest. So I try to fit it as good as possible. So I'm gonna just put a layer of fiberglass here with the glue, or maybe some of that bondo. Hopefully it doesn't break. And I think the bumper needs to be straight. Yeah, I can see I need to straighten the bumper a little more. Alright, so let's just start fitting it up. It must not mix it. I think I mixed too much. The next day, oh shit, I applied some of that fiberglass filled bondo yesterday here. I'm trying to smooth it out right now with sandpaper, as smooth as I can get it. There's still a little like holes, but I'm gonna fill those in with regular bondo with no fiber, because the fiber makes it like less I don't know call it, but less moldable, you know. So with the regular bondo, I can fill in all the little small things I couldn't fill like this and smooth it out even smoother. I'll do it on the other side too. This little indent right here, smooth it out, just make it look smooth. It's smooth right now, man. I'm sliding my finger, I feel no bumps, nothing. It's pretty smooth. On the back, it doesn't matter, man. Like, I'm not gonna smooth that out. I'm gonna leave it like that. More reinforcement, anyways. I know y'all can see, but look at that. Just put a ton of it in there, man. I'm gonna leave it like that. So yesterday I bought this little tiny one. I ran out. This time I bought this bigger one. It's only like 10 bucks more, almost 15 bucks more for the bigger one. Why not buy it? And this is a regular bundle. I just bought a small one because I'm gonna use this one the most. And I have this paint plus primer because I forgot about primer and I already had this, so I'm gonna use it as primer. And I have that color red that's almost exact same color as the truck. pretty much is the same. And the clear coat, what I'm gonna do now is use a regular Bondo. And while that dries, I'm gonna sand down this piece right here and put the next piece on there, and then the other one, and use the fiberglass reinforced Bondo. And then after that, I'm gonna use the sheet of fiberglass with the hard ass glue to make it even stronger. It's gonna look kind of weird, but hey man, this is temporary. Little holes right here where the fender guards, the chrome things, bolted on. It looks nice, I'll keep it like this. So now I'm gonna sand this backside. I'll just sand this. Look how it's freaking hard. A rock now, like, and there's like pieces of fiberglass sticking out, so it's like really sharp glass. So if I touch it, it's like needles poking, you know. I'm gonna cut it down because it's satisfying too. But there he is. It's almost perfect. Look at it. Just need to fill it in with fiberglass Bondo. Dang, I think I need to shut the liberal up, but I can't. I'm gonna just leave it like that. Man, I'm gonna get a brand new hood anyways in a few months. It doesn't have to be perfect, you see. Right here, this curve is supposed to be like right there, but yeah, we'll fill it in. Yeah, so I'm gonna just fill it in with this Bondo, the little cracks. And after it dries, I'm gonna use the fiberglass sheet and adhesive to make it really stiff. Right here is gonna be one of the weakest points, I think. Alright, so this is like the fiberglass sheet that the kit came with, and that's more than enough than I need. And I bought an extra one thinking that's not enough, but yes, that's more than I need. That's enough to cover the whole thing. It's just temporary, so it doesn't look like crap, you know, like it's missing. So this DOT doesn't say, oh look at that truck, it's all fucked up, just pull them over. But see, I actually take care of my truck, man. I work on it, I fix it up, take my time. Oh, what I do need now is this brand new tire. Look at this, bald. I just got this one a few weeks ago. These two brand new. This one recapped, the other one recapped. These are still good on this side. Just still a few more miles left. I'm gonna get brand new steers too, because this one's used and I don't trust used tires. So I'm gonna buy brand new steers, new suspension. Sometime I want to, like I said in one of my videos earlier, I wanted to do air suspension conversion. So maybe like that much. So that's good. Gonna mix it for like 30-40 seconds. Sticky cameras. And then paint it on there. Apply a layer of this adhesive onto the Dead all over. So now I just lay the fiberglass on there. Should have wore gloves because it's just gonna start cutting me, but whatever. It's raw dog, so you can see the glue starting to stick onto it. Just tap it. Put some more of that resin over it. And then we're done. Hey man, I think I'm pretty good at this. Now I just started a little fiberglass business or something. How good it came out. I guess I'm gonna start the painting process. I only have like a minute left, so before it ends, thanks for watching. Hit that like, subscribe. Hope you liked this video. This video wasn't supposed to like teach you how to like do this. It's me working on my truck. This my channel is about. So yeah, just finish off here. Once I'm finished, I'll take a picture with my phone, upload it, and I'll show y'all how it turns out. There's some. Alright, so all that's left is the clear coat, so thanks for watching.